Welcome to CodeChef. Today we are going to learn about quicksort. We will use an array of numbers and visualize the sorting process step by step. Quicksort is a divide and conquer sorting algorithm. It selects a pivot, partitions the array around it, and recursively sorts the subarrays. The partitioning step places elements smaller than the pivot to its left and greater elements to its right. This process continues until the entire array is sorted. Let's consider this unsorted array: 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 7, 2, 4. We will use the last element as the pivot in each step. We start by choosing 4 as our pivot and initializing 2 pointers, I and j. The first element, 6, is greater than 4, so we move ahead. Next, 5 is also greater than 4. Still no swaps. Now, we find 3, which is smaller than 4. So we increase I and swap 3 with 6. Moving forward, 1 is also smaller than 4, so we swap it with 5. The next two numbers, 8 and 7, are greater than 4, so we skip them. Finally, we find 2, which is smaller than 4, so we swap it with 6. Now, we swap our pivot 4 into its correct position, placing it between the two partitions. With 4 correctly placed, we now apply quicksort on the left and right subarrays. For the left subarray, we take 2 as the pivot. 3 is greater than 2, so no swaps. 1 is smaller, so we swap it with 3. Finally, we place 2 in its correct position. The left part is now sorted. Next, we sort the right side, choosing 5 as the pivot. Since all elements are greater than 5, no swaps occur. We simply place 5 in its correct position. Now, we apply quicksort on the remaining unsorted part, selecting 8 as the pivot. Both 7 and 6 are smaller than 8, so we swap them with themselves. Since the pivot is already at the correct position, we move on. Finally, we sort the last part using 6 as the pivot. 7 is greater than 6, so no swaps occur. We place 6 in its correct position. Now our array is completely sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quicksort has an average time complexity of order n log a, and in a worst case, time complexity of order n squared if the pivot selection is poor. That's it for quicksort. Thanks for watching.